curious. He got a big figure. Bitch, you serious?
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all.
Ladré paceto para que no despierte a los de la casa. Good job, Whisper.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely.
Full Brando.
Got some right here. You got some right here. Whoa.
Até ele não quer, você vergonha. Ah, Dudu.
Katy, ¿qué te pasó?
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony. Fuck you, Tony. What's your name? Ezekiel. Fuck you, Ezekiel. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hey, you know what I did last night? You better not break my mother into this. You know what I did? You better not. I broke that fire over there. Oh. And I fucked your mother next to it. Fuck you, Ezekiel.
When my dog almost got hit by lightning.
Oh, you want to come in? Come on, inside. You want to come in?
Teddy, I'm here for the sleepover. Coming in. Oh, what's up, Teddy? Let's get this party started. Airbud never gets old. You're sleeping already? You never fall asleep first at a sleepover.
Oh, I slept like a rock.
Oh man, I feel great. Teddy!
Apparently, if you play this sound, your cat is supposed to come to you. But I don't have a cat, so I just went outside.
You boys like peanut butter?
For the last part of your driving test, you see an old man and a young kid. What do you hit?
The old man? Well, I mean, the That kid has his whole life ahead of him. So, I would hit the old man, right?
The brakes.
When your cat gives birth to one kitten. Have you ever seen a litter of one?
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah, no, you're still digging. No, Fendi. Like, bounce like this. Like you're punching it. Yeah. There you go. But like stand up. Like stand up and punch. There you go. Good girl.
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Damn it, I've been banned from Dave & Buster's.
I ain't tweaking, right?
I said yeah.
Y'all heard that too. The dog said no you ain't.
I'ma sell you. Put you up for sale. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Ven pa' dentro.